If you take screenshots frequently in Chrome, whether for work, school, or content creation, using a dedicated extension can save you a ton of time and add powerful features. Here are some of the best screenshot extensions for Chrome right now, and what makes each one so useful. First, Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder is one of the most popular and versatile options. It lets you capture selected areas, full pages, or even visible parts of a tab, and then annotate right away with arrows, text, shapes, or blur effects. It also includes a built-in screen recorder if you want to switch to video, making it ideal for tutorials or walkthroughs. According to reviews on major tech sites, its combination of capture and annotation tools makes it a solid all-rounder. Next is Nimbus Capture. This extension is incredibly flexible. Not only can you screenshot whole pages or parts of the screen, but you can also capture the browser's viewport, scrolling content, and even grab video from a tab. It supports drawing, cropping, text, and shapes after you take a screenshot. Reviewers often highlight Nimbus for its powerful editing capabilities and ease of use. Another top pick is Lightshot. It's lightweight, fast, and very focused. With Lightshot, you just select the region you want to capture, and then you're immediately offered tools to add text, draw, or highlight. You can also upload your screenshot instantly to get a shareable link. Many users appreciate its speed and simplicity. It's great for quick, casual screenshotting. For power users, FireShot stands out. It lets you capture the entire page, even parts not currently visible on screen, selected sections, or just the visible area, and then save directly as PDF, JPEG, or PNG. You can also annotate or edit before saving. Tech bloggers say FireShot is ideal when you need high-quality captures or want to export in different file formats. If you want something integrated with collaboration, Scribe is worth considering. It takes screenshots step by step and automatically creates flow guides or how-to walkthroughs. After capturing, it builds a simple guide with annotated steps, which is excellent for document sharing or instructional content. Productivity-focused writers and teams often favor it because of this automation. When choosing, think about what matters most to you. Do you need powerful annotation? Fast and simple captures? Or built-in screen recording? Also consider how much memory the extension uses. More powerful tools can slow down performance. Finally, always download from the official Chrome Web Store and check reviews to make sure you're picking a well-maintained, secure extension. In summary, the best screenshot extensions for Chrome in 2025 include Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder for flexibility and video capture, Nimbus Capture for editing power, Lightshot for speed and simplicity, FireShot for high-quality exports, and Scribe for auto-generated tutorial guides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more browser tips and productivity hacks, and drop a comment. Which screenshot tool do you use? Or which one do you want me to try next?